try to open this door, but it automatically going to closing. How can solve this problem? By using a damaged hard disk. This hard disk not working. I am going to solve this problem by using this one. Removing screws of hard disk. It have a hidden screw in this place. After remove its front cover, we can see two magnet inside of it. Then remove its screw. This is powerful magnet. Hard disks have two magnet. Going to remove another one. We can see these two magnets are very powerful. I am going to stick on this magnet into my wall and door by using this glue. One magnet of hard disk stick on wall and another one is stick on door. After open my door, it's not closing automatically because that magnets are held the door to wall.